All right, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you don't know, now you know. JD on 3, and as you can see, there are 2 Rykers in my garage as of right now. You guys know this is mine. This is my boy Junior's. Shout out to Junior. He has allowed me to do the installs for his bike. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing, and then all right, you guys, so here are the boxes. My man Junior went a little overboard. He spent about $300-400 on parts for the bike, and he's like, yo, install them. So here we are. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox all this stuff, and let's see what he got. So as you can see, there was a ton to unbox. So let's go ahead and let's dissect this a little bit. I won't go necessarily into everything into detail because it is so much. So we'll just go ahead and start here at the top. This right here was actually a really cool item. You see it does come with the instructions, but basically it is the front bumper. And as you can see from the instructions here, this is kind of what we're looking at. You get an assembly list here. But yeah, you get this really nice front bumper to help protect the bumper. And what's really cool about it is it comes with these LED lights. So it's a nice little light show. Nice white, bright light with this bumper. Really, really nice. This is not necessarily installed. These are really easy. These are wheel lights, so they're just gonna fit on the wheel caps there. And just spin. I should actually say like the air cap. So you'll use 3 of them, and of course, as the wheels move, these are gonna light up. Really cool little thing. We'll see how those do. Over here on this side, we have this light bar that goes under the front bumper. Looks like you have to drill a couple of holes to actually secure it, and then plug and play. So it shouldn't be too bad, but haven't installed one yet, so this will be my first time doing that. Then over here, we have these auxiliary lights or fog light. These are really, really nice too. I'm really excited to see how these come out because I was thinking about doing these for my own bike. Then also you have this. It looks like it didn't come with anything else. So we'll see how this goes. But this is just a jock shifter. Instead of using your foot, you have this jockey shift. And the top little bar does remove, so you can actually change it to something else. So that's really cool. And if you come up over here a little bit, we have some brand new LED lights that are going in. Really cool. And then we have the windshield. He's really been wanting a windshield, so he finally found one. I thought this one was tinted. We'll see a little bit more once I open it up some more. But he did get a windshield. All the tools that are needed should have came in the box with everything except for that jockey shift. But we shall see. So let's go on ahead. Let's start, really start getting some things installed. Really, that's gonna be it for this video. Just unboxing, just to see everything that he got. All right, you guys, JD on 3. And as you can see, I got my boy Junior's Ryker ready. So everything that we did, we installed some LEDs. We installed the guard, the bumper guard here. We got the fog lights or the auxiliary fog lights in there. We got the LED lights in. We got the windshield on. We weren't able to get the jockey shift, and we weren't able to do the hand guards just yet, but that will be on the way. Sorry, I couldn't get all the install videos. I just started getting into the work. But Junior, if you don't mind cutting it on, let's see what it really looking like. Yes, sir. That looks good. That looks damn good. What you think, man?
I love it.
Love it. Hey, it's another JD on 3 production, and we out here, baby. So Ryker fam, you already know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. Tap in. Hey.
Get you some.
Tap in, baby.
Best in the city.